And here's what's grabbing my attention. Hewlett Packard Enterprise, ticker symbol HPE, up 29%. It delivered a historic fiscal second quarter earnings report, absolutely crushed a Wall Street forecast. But you know what? The stock had already been up 60% in just the past month.
Yep.
For Hewlett Packard.
Even I could have made money trading this one. When I saw the Dell numbers last week, I'm like, yeah, to buy HPE if Dell's kicked.
Yeah, absolutely
so well.
right.
And
yeah,
sure enough, they did.
It was a high bar after, its rival Dell came out with their blowout earnings. But HP giving an outlook for annual sales that topped estimates. It is citing, again, we sound like broken records, but citing massive growth in AI-fueled demand for its servers and networking. So what we're seeing is these traditional server companies, equipment makers, are really beneficiaries of the AI trade. And you may not have called that at the beginning of the AI boom.
The market cap, I don't think it's 62 trillion.
I know.
So
I
it's
saw
62 billion.
Small.
It's a small cap.
It is practically
like we were just talking to Francis Gannon about. It's a small cap.
Yeah, relatively speaking. Exactly.
What a play.
All right, Victoria's Secret out with this breaking news saying sexy matters. So you know what? It changed its ticker symbol to drive home that message. So starting today, Victoria's Secret is no longer trading under the ticker symbol VSCO. It is now VSXY, like very sexy.
Nice
it is up 36.5% in the pre-market. But shares have surged 160% over the past year. Investors, they seem to be embracing CEO Hillary Super's efforts to revitalize the brand. So they were out with earnings today, and including, in addition to that ticker symbol changing, earnings and revenue beating estimates. Victoria's Secret also raised its sales outlook. Super is the company's fourth CEO since 2019.
Wow.
So they've been going through some change. They're trying to regain that cultural cachet. They're now refocusing on their bras. They have a pink brand, that's what it's called, geared toward younger shoppers. And they're returning to their roots and bringing back the Victoria's Secret fashion show, which came under a lot of criticism a few years back.
What they need to do is reopen their store on 58th and Lex.
Oh, remember
that's
that?
still vacant.
It is. That was their flagship store.
They have PJs perfect for summer nights.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Are you looking at one of their ads right now,
Not
Tom?
me. I read
just came into his feed.
I read the interviews. Next.
All right, chip maker Marvell Technology up 18%. So all of my stocks today, by the way, are big winners. Marvell Technology is gaining after Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang predicted the semiconductor and networking company will be the next business to hit $1 trillion valuation. Wow. Now that would be more than 5 times its current capitalization. But I need to say this. Nvidia has something to gain in saying this. Why? Because the chip giant took a $2 billion stake in Marvell 3 months ago, right, as part of a broader partnership. He made these comments on stage at the Computex trade show in Taipei, standing there right alongside Marvell's CEO Matt Murphy. But also, Marvell's stock has been on a tear, up 158% this year alone.
Wow.
And if this rally holds, by the way, when the market opens, Marvell will notch its biggest intraday jump since March. So pretty eye-popping numbers.
Alexis doesn't understand. This just reeks of 1999.
There's certain aspects of it.
Moment to moment.
Yep.
It's just
so
like,
are you waving the cautionary flag, Tom? Because
I don't know. Well, I'm in triple leveraged all cash, so I'm not playing. But the answer is moment to moment. It's not exuberance, it's breathlessness.
Yeah, and it's
great word.
And the numbers in terms of investments, in terms of stock price appreciation, in terms of bond offerings, equity offerings, the numbers just haven't seen them before. Plus all the IPOs. We haven't even started on SpaceX. That rhetoric starts, I guess, Thursday.